Yes guys, good morning. Welcome to the live stream. I hope everyone's doing well today. Starting on the daily time frame, looks pretty neutral to me. So we came down, we filled all of these imbalances, but we actually inverted this one here, and price came down, we swept the sell side liquidity down here. Okay, so we swept that low, we've now displaced higher, and we have a bullish fair value gap. So this to me would kind of be the telling point whether we want to go higher or decide to go lower. Right? If price decides to respect this gap, we're most likely going to go higher. If we decide to disrespect this gap and we invert it, we most likely will attack this next low down here. So that is pretty much what I'm waiting for, guys, to see what we want to obviously do at this area. Okay, so as of the moment, daily time frame is going to be neutral. If we jump into the 4 hour time frame, we can see price came up, we swept this high, displaced the value gap. This is now playing out on the 4 hour time frame. We've come into that daily fair value gap, and we also have a new week opening gap that price is currently drawing towards. So to me, the 4 hour I would say looks bearish. Same thing with the 1 hour, and same thing with the 15 minutes. So overall, I am pretty bearish towards that new week opening gap. I want to see that get filled and rebalanced fully. So once that happens, we can start to potentially look at some reversals at this area. But as of the moment, I don't really feel comfortable taking any trades. All right.
Order filled.
I'm along with that, guys. Stop at 329. Right, I'm going to start moving my stops now below that swing low. 25,350, so reduce your risk there. Shouldn't be going below that low now.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go, guys. TP1 smashed, closed 80% there. What an amazing start to the week. That is 47.5 handles secured. We are too good, guys, honestly. We've not taken a single L in the past 3 weeks now. On a huge winning streak. So let's see how many handles that is again. 47.5 handles. Great stuff. I actually just love trading, guys, honestly. You wake up, you make money. Let's go. Woo, woo, woo. I see wins in the chat already. I see wins in the chat already. Let's go, man, let's go. All right, so keep your stops there, below that swing low. Should be out around 80% of your position already. And we're gonna be riding towards this whole void, many imbalances is filled. Okay, so our final TP is just resting at that candle's low there. So we'll see what we get. I'm actually gonna monitor ES as well. So once ES hits that, I will just manually close out. But yeah, great start to the week. We didn't retrade Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday simply because there was no news and there was also a bank holiday. And we log on Thursday, boom, we see our model play out, we take it. Simple. Simple as that, brothers. This is the winning team, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is the winning team. You should not be on anyone else's team other than this one, all right? We hit TPs, that's exactly what we do. We follow the model, that's it. That's what we do, mate. That's what we do. But yeah, if you're trading one contract, guys, you should be fully out here, okay? Only be holding 1 mini or 1 micro, whatever it is, that doesn't mean anything to you towards this final TP. With me, right, these 2 contracts don't mean anything to me, hence I'm holding them just to see if the trade plays out. But I've already profited off that 80% that I've just closed out. So be aware of that, okay? If you haven't, please make sure to do so right now. Absolute banger. Someone just made $700. Good shit, bro. Good fucking shit. Okay, looks like we're about to get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Alright, there you have it, guys. We got stopped out full break even, the remaining contracts, so all good. We secured around 47.5 handles on that trade, which is a very good outcome. Very nice way to start the week, boys. Alright, so let's break this trade down and explain to you exactly why I took this trade in the first place, okay? So, first things first, right, we tapped into this new week opening gap, which is actually resting in this area here on the 15-minute time frame. If I zoom out, you'll be able to see it. You can see this gap here, right? Price came down, which I said, this is going to be the drawn liquidity, right? This little new week opening gap will be the draw on liquidity, which it was. Okay, price came down into it, consolidated in that area, and eventually displaced out of there. Okay, which obviously I mentioned to you guys, watch out for this one because we're going to see some sort of reaction coming out of this gap. Now, since we are in bearish order flow, okay, it's very important to take partials when price retraces into 50% or back into a premium or back into a discount. So you can clearly see, if we measure this price range, right, where is a fair value gap or inefficiency that's resting in the premium? It's going to be this one. Okay, so there's a very high chance that price can come up, tap into a fair value gap that's resting inside a premium, and then carry on going the direction. Okay, so in this case, obviously we are reversal traders. We don't trade with the continuation. We like to trade when price reverses. So we had a very likely chance of price reversing, hence we took this trade. But again, we have to be safe. We have to take some partials. We have to take something off to reward ourselves, because there is a chance that price could just tap in here and obviously keep heading lower as it is right now. So first EP was at this gap. Price tapped into the fair value gap here after we broke structure. We went long, valid stop loss, took our first EP off here, trailed our stops to swing low below this gap, and we wanted to see price obviously head high and fill all of these imbalances, which it didn't, and it stopped us out, the remaining contracts at break even. So all good, winning trade. We made around 50 handles on that, so I'm very happy with the outcome. But that will be me done for the day, guys. It's going to be a quick one today, quick in and out. That's how trading works sometimes, right? We're not here all day. We make the money and we leave, we'll get on with our day. So I hope you lot enjoyed the live stream. I hope you lot learned something valuable today. That is going to be me done for this morning, and I'll catch you lot in tomorrow's trading session and we'll see what we get. We're currently up from last week and the week prior. So if we close this week again, that will be three weeks in a row which we've closed out in profit. So everything is going good so far. Let's carry on this winning streak. And yeah, guys, take it easy. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll catch you lot tomorrow.